Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix the multi-snap option not showing up in Snapchat. So let's get started. So first I'll open my Snapchat app and then click on this plus icon up top here. And as you can see, I cannot see any multi-snap option over here. So the first step you'll have to do is to uninstall Snapchat. Make sure to keep your data. Click on OK. As you can see, I uninstalled it. Now the next step you'll have to do is to go to Chrome. And over here you have to type Snapchat older versions. And here just click on the first link. Once the website opens up, just download any older version of Snapchat. Let's say I'll go for 12.50.1 and now click on download APK. Once your download is complete, just click on the file and press install. Now once the app is done installing, go to your home screen. Now open Snapchat. Now once you click the plus icon over here, you will see the multi-snap option. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.